Nahihirapan po ako ikwento po yung buong details po.
Okay, kilala mo yung dalawa? Si Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz.
Si Sir Jojo lang po yung kilala ko. Si Richard po, nakilala ko lang po that night.
Where is Mr. Mulak? Sandro Mulak.
He's here, Your Honor.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Can the COMSEC administer the oath?
Yes, Mr. Chair. For Mr. Sandro Mulak,
Yes
Stand
po.
up.
yeah, can please stand and raise your right hand.
Patangkad to, hindi kita mo ka. See?
Right. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this committee hearing?
Yes po.
23.
Okay, thank you. You may sit down.
Oh, Mr. Sandro,
Yes po, Your Honor.
gusto mo ba i-narrate lahat yung ginawa sa'yo?
Hindi pa
Kasi
po.
nababasa lang namin sa Facebook.
Yes po. Hindi pa po ako ready to get into details po, Your Honor, kasi hindi pa po na babasa ng kabilang kampo po yung reklamo po namin. Nahihirapan po ako ikwento po yung buong details po.
Okay, kilala mo yung dalawa? Si Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz.
Si Sir Jojo lang po yung kilala ko. Si Richard po, nakilala ko lang po that night.
That night, yun si Richard.
Yes po.
During,
Nung madaling araw po nung nangyari po lahat yun.
ano?
Nung madaling araw po, nung nangyari po lahat yun.
Doon mo lang nakilala ni Richard.
Yes po.
Okay, tell this committee, who texted first?
Si Jojo Nones po.
What did he text you?
Yung una po niyang text sa akin, nag-text po siya sa akin ng 3:59 a.m.
3:59 a.m.?
Yes po.
4 madaling araw?
Yes po.
Or what did he text you?
I have the copy po on my phone. Pwede ko
Yeah,
po.
you read it.
Okay po.
Oh, Mr. Jojo Nones, ikaw una nag-text.
Hindi naman po namin dininay na ako po ang unang nag-text. Opo.
It's
Yes po.
answerable by yes or no,
Yes po, Your Honor.
All right. Oh, tuloy mo, Sandro.
Nag-message po siya sa akin ng 3:59 a.m. Sabi po niya sa akin, "So you kanina, didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba?" Nag-reply po ako. Sabi ko po, "Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Hope to see you soon po, Sir Jojo." Tapos nag-reply po siya sa akin, "Enjoy, still partying? Sino kasama mo?" Then nag-reply po ako. Sabi po niya, sabi ko po, "Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Allen po." Then sabi niya, "Be safe." Then sabi ko po, "Thank you po, Sir Jojo. Hope to work and see you soon po." Sabi niya, "Nabitin ako sa inom." Napasabi rin po ako na ako nga din po eh. Then nag-reply po siya sa akin na, "Yes, soon. Ikas kita. Nagdidirect ako now."
Wait. Stop there. Do you have the power to cast, Mr. Nones?
In GMA po, wala po, Your Honor. The
Bakit
casting
mo tinetext si Sandro that, ika-casting mo siya?
in a
You
general
do not have any power to do so.
in a general sense po, I'm talking about as nagdidirect po ako, pinayagan na rin po ako ng GMA if
Yes,
I ask
nagdidirect ka.
permission na
But
mag-
do you have the power? Halimbawa, o Robin Padilla, kunin natin. May power ka bang ganun?
Your Honor, pag outside po GMA, pag ako po ang magpo-produce,
No, we're talking about GMA.
sa
Sino ba
GMA po wala,
nagtatrabaho?
Your Honor. At
Why did you text Mr. Mulak?
ang context ko po doon in a general po sense, Your Honor, as a director that can do projects outside GMA2 and streaming. Kasi ngayon po, uso po na as directors or content creators, we really do projects everywhere po. we have streaming projects, we have ganun po at the
Sige.
table. So,
Continue, Sandro.
Yes po, Your Honor. Continue, okay po.
Continue.
Sabi niya, so after po nung yes soon, ikas kita, nagdidirect ako now. Sabi ko po, wow sir, looking forward to that po. Then sabi niya, oh, gusto mo pa ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Then sabi ko po, saan po kayo sir? Sabi po niya, Belmont Hotel, katabi lang ng Marriott. Sabi ko po, sino-sino po kayo sir? Haha. Sabi po niya, just me. Tapos hindi na po ako nag-reply kasi ang awkward naman po kung kaming dalawa lang po sa kwarto. Kaya hindi po
So
ako...
you were sensing something.
Hindi ko naman po siya pinag-iisipan ng at that time.
Nung nag-isa lang, nung sabi niya, I'm alone.
Opo.
Nagduda ka, ha?
Yes po.
Nagdalawang isip ka. So,
Hindi ko naman
dahil
po siya
kaya hindi ka nag-text, tama?
Yes po, hindi naman po ako nag-iisip ng masama ka sa kanya kasi boss ko po siya treat ko po sa kanya is boss man
Okay,
siya.
and then
Opo lang po.
afterwards, what happened to, ano pa yung mga succeeding text?
Then, after 37 minutes po, 4:37 a.m., nag-message po siya sa akin ulit. Sabi po niya, haha, just kidding. Kasama ko drama peeps, but we're wrapping up in a bit. Nung sinabi po niya sa akin na drama peeps daw po yung kasama niya, gusto ko lang po makasama yung buong drama team ng GMA. Syempre, as an artista po, need ko makag-PR po sa kanila, makisama po. Syempre po, it's an opportunity for an artist like me to talk with them. Tapos, nag-reply po ako ng, andyan pa ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Kasi sabi niya po kasi, we're wrapping up in a bit. So sabi ko, okay, saglit lang ako dun. Magpapakita lang po ako. Then I'll go na. Yun po. Tapos after po nun, sabi ko, kakababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Sure, may kasama ka? Sabi ko po, no po, ako lang. Tapos binigay po niya yung Belmont room number. Sabi niya po, Ox, Belmont 7008. Yun po.
When you entered the room, who did you see?
Sila pong dalawa.
What were they doing?
Mr. Chair, I cannot get into details po kasi hindi pa po natatanggap ng kabila yung reklamo po namin.
No,
Kasi,
no. You tell us. We ought to know.
So nakita ko po silang dalawa. Si Richard Cruz po, lasing na. Bale, ang nag-aasikaso po sa akin is si Sir Jojo. Ino-offeran po ako ng wine.
Jojo Nones offered you to drink wine.
Yes po.
Richard Cruz, what was he doing at the time?
Lasing po. Nakahiga
Lasing?
po siya. Yes po.
So, nakahiga.
Nakahiga po siya nung una ko pong nakita. Pero pinakilala po ako ni Jojo kay Richard. So tumayo po si Richard po. Tas
Okay.
po sa akin.
When Jojo Nones offered you wine, you drank wine.
Opo.
Huh?
Yes,
What else did he offer you?
I don't know po kung pwede ko po sabihin yung buong details kasi it's really sensitive.
Sige na, sabihin mo na.
Your Honor, with all due respect po, as mentioned po kanina kay Senator Padilla, hindi pa po natatanggap ng kabila yung...
You want to have it in an executive session?
Ay, hindi. Dahil po hindi pa po natatanggap ng kabila yung complaint, dapat po mamarapatin po namin matanggap muna nila bago nila malaman yung pinaka detalye. And also po, medyo natitrigger pa po si Sandro, although nilakasan niya po talaga yung loob niya na magpakita ho today, pwede ho siguro, hindi po niya kaya talaga na dire-diretso na pag-usapan lahat ng detalye.
Alam niyo, pag hindi natin tatapusin to, ahaba ng ahaba ito. You're wasting our time here eh. Magsasalita ba kayo? Hindi. Kundi, alis na ako rito. Magsasalita ba kayo? Hindi.
Gusto mo namin makatulong po sa layunin.
Yes. Help this committee. Or you want to have an executive session or what?
Executive session with just you, Your Honors, and not with the other parties. We will have our own time and not in front of them.
Okay.
Okay, Your Honor.
Sige, leave.
Okay, mga pasensya na po. Meron po tayong motion para mag-executive session. Yung mga hindi po partido muna, maiwan lang muna po sila Mr. Nino Mulak, council nila. Pati po NBI, pwede muna po lumabas. Total, alam naman yun yan, pero pwede na rin po kayong lumabas. Opo, pwede na po, pwede. Kami lang muna po, muna. Pati po, kami lang muna po. Opo. Mamaya po, may sarili din po tayo. Opo. Okay lang po, kami lang muna po. Opo.
Sandro,
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
tuloy-tuloy ang pag-inom mo ng wine. Hanggat
Opo.
malasing ka. Nanghina ka ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nung pinapasinghot ka nitong dalawa, ano nararamdaman mo? Were you high? Nanghina ka ba?
Namanhid po ako, Your Honor.
Ha?
Minanhid po ako, Your Honor.
Ano to? Namanhid.
Minanhid po.
Namanhid.
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 Yes po,
Alright.
Your Honor.
So you lie down in the bed. Am I correct? Correct me if I'm wrong, ah.
Yes po, Your Honor.
And then, when you lie down sa bed, doon nag-umpisa yung sexual harassment.
Hindi po ako nag-lie down. Hinila po ako sa bed.
Hinila ka sa bed.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Sino nang hila sa'yo sa bed?
Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Jojo Nones. So, nung hinila ka sa bed, ano, napahiga ka ba? Napaupo ka ba? O ano?
Napahiga po ako.
Napahiga.
Yes po.
Alright. And then, that started everything.
Yes po, Your Honor. I don't wanna go into details po, Your Honor.
Yeah, no. I'm just asking. You were sexually harassed. Correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
You deny?
Yes po, Your Honor, we deny allegations po.
Ano ginawa niyo doon sa bata?
Wala po kaming ginawang masama kay Sandro, Your Honor.
Ano nga ginawa niyo? Doon nandun siya.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Really?
Nagkwentuhan, we
Really?
played music, we socialized, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Anong pinagkwentuhan ninyo? Sige, interesado ako. Ano pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Marami po, like, ang simula po,
Ha?
ang mga napag-usapan po namin sa simula, yung sa gala, nadapa po si Hipon, tapos, and then yung mga after parties, mga ganun po. Napagkwentuhan po namin yung gala, yung mga events na nangyari during the gala, tapos, and then, yan, we were drinking, socializing, listening to some music.
Sandro, dali lang. Nakapagkwentuhan daw sila sa iyo.
Nakipagkwentuhan po nung una. Pinakilala po ako kay Richard Dode. Pinakilala po ako na si Sandro to. Magaling na artista to. Kinuha ko na to dati sa Agimat ng Agila. Magaling na bata na kontrabida to. Si Sandro, anak ni Nino. Ito po yung sabi. Yun po yung sabi niya. Yun lang po yung napag-usapan.
Yung kinikwento ni Mr. Nones ngayon, yung ba pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Hindi po totoo, Your Honor.
Mr. Nones,
These are allegations po, Your Honor, kasi we were just socializing po. In fact po, during the entire time, nakakapag-text freely po si Sandro. He was texting freely, so wala pong anything that connects to his allegations, Your Honor.
can you repeat it again?
We deny po the allegations kasi po
Ibig sabihin, pinatawag mo yung bata para makapagkwentuhan lang.
Hindi ko po siya pinatawag, Your Honor.
Kung nga nag-text eh.
Yeah, umakyat po siya on his own volition at sinabi niya po na dadaan
At
lang
his
po siya
own
ng
volition because you texted him. God damn it, you.
Your Honor, with all due respect po, he said po, akyat po siya, dadaan po siya saglit. Yun
Because
po
you texted him. You were the first one who texted him. Diba? He did not deny it.
Yes, Your Honor. But
You
there
were,
was no direct
you were
invitation from
luring Sandro to go to your room.
me. There was no luring involved, Your Honor. There was no direct invitation from me.
Eh, anong klaseng tawag yun? You were inviting him.
It was just a conversation. Every text, Your Honor, is in response to
Ang hirap
another
sa'yo,
text,
ang dami
Your
mo nang
Honor.
dinilit na messages. Hindi lang naman si Sandro ang tinetext mo eh. Ang dami mo pang mga artistang tinetext eh. Baka makachamba ka eh. Oh no, you tell me the truth. We're here to ferret out the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. Okay? Because if you will continue to lie here before this committee, I have no other choice. I have no other alternative but to cite you in contempt.
I'm not lying po, Your Honor.
Did you harass him?
No po,
Sexually
Your Honor.
harassed?
No po, Your Honor.
Really? Huh? Really? You don't talk, you give advice.
Your Honor, these are the very same issues being investigated by the DOJ right now. So, if I keep further answering questions regarding the details, this could incriminate us and could affect our case and defense, Your Honor. These
No,
are...
I'm just asking you practical questions here. It's just answerable by yes or no. Why did you delete your messages? Kung wala ka talaga tinatago.
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, na-mention ko na po yun sa previous hearing at sa
Oh.
executive session, Your Honor. Further answering details regarding the case, Your Honor, will violate our right to self-incrimination, Your Honor, and we would like to invoke our right and answer those allegations. We can even provide you with our counter affidavit, Your Honor, once we receive the complaint from the DOJ, but we would like to be given the chance to answer them at a proper forum and know the allegations as well, Your Honor.
Totoo ba? Based on my investigation, sinabi sa'yo, Sandro, ni Jojo Nones, what stays here, what happened here stays here. Kung ano
Correct po,
nangyari
Your-
sa kwarto,
Tama po
mananatili
Your
sa kwarto lang.
Yes po.
Sino
Yes po,
nagsabi
Your Honor.
nun?
Si Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Okay. Si Jojo Nones ang mas agresibo. Pardon my word. Pardon my term.
Parehas po sila, Your Honor.
Parehas silang ano,
Yes po, Your Honor.
so kasi dito sa investigasyon ko, no, binasa ko rin nung nakaraan, there was really sexual assault. Tinanggal mo yung t-shirt ni Sandro, di ba? Mr. Nones,
No po, Your Honor, hindi po.
tinanggal mo yung t-shirt.
No po, Your Honor, hindi po totoo
Ha?
yan. No po, Your Honor, hindi po
Tinanggal
totoo
ba t-shirt mo, Sandro?
Si Richard po yung nagtanggal. Polo po yung tinanggal, hindi po t-shirt, Your Honor.
Oh, Richard.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, hindi po totoo yun.
Tanga ng tunga. Puta, hindi na kayo naawa sa bata. Puta, yun na. Ha? Tapos lahat ng kababuyan ginawa niyo sa bata, puta.
Your Honor, with all due respect, please don't judge us. Hindi pa po kami convicted sa case. The
No,
case
but
has
you're
just
lying.
been filed po. We are not
I'm
lying
not
po,
judging
Your
you,
Honor.
you're lying.
We're also just defending our side, Your Honor. It is our constitutional right to defend our right, Your Honor. So we are not being disrespectful at all. We're not lying. We're just
Okay. What was the action that GMA 7? What was the action of GMA 7 with regard to the complaint of Sandro?
We were sent a notice to explain and a supplemental notice to explain, and then we were put on preventive suspension, Your Honor.
So you're suspended.
Yes, Your
Both of
Honor.
you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes po, Your Honor. Wala po kaming kinikita as of now.
Eh dapat nga hindi lang suspension ng inabot ninyo eh. Dapat expulsion.
Well,
If indeed these allegations are true. Hindi naman sa I'm not preempting everything, no. Pero base sa usap-usapan, base rin sa investigasyon ko. May drugs involved. Okay? Ang tanong, saan mo kinuha ang drugs? Ha? Saan nyo kinuha ang drugs na pinangsinghot nyo ro sa bata? Na wala namang kaalam-alam yung bata. First time niya ginawa na dahil because you lured him to take these drugs. Tana, kabat, ilan taon nito? 23? Ilan taon ka na ba, Sandro?
23 po, Your
Oh.
Honor.
Ngayon lang siya, umaayaw na nga. Pinilit nyo pa. Umaayaw na ngang suminghot, pinipilit mo pa.
Your Honor, may I po? With all due respect po, Your Honor, kung yung mga ano nyo po, galing lang po kay Sandro as allegations, Your Honor, they are just allegations
Excuse
po,
me.
Your Honor.
Hindi galing kay Sandro, investigation ko.
Okay
Hindi
po,
ko
Your
naman kilala yan eh. Ang
Pero-
tatay kilala ko. At hindi, I never interviewed his father. I got this from a different source. During the first hearing. Oh. Huwag mo turuan dito. O ano, Mr. Nones, you still deny the allegations? Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor, kasi kaming tatlo lang naman po ang nandun sa room, so wala pong ibang source ng information, Your Honor.
Kasi yung ibang investigation ko rito, hindi na for public consumption eh. Kasi hindi na maganda pakinggan eh. I will not go in, masyado kasing malaswa itong ginawa ko investigasyon. Masyado malaswa. And you still deny na wala kayong ginawang masama dito sa bata. Nakipagkwentuhan lang. Yes, ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor. I'd just like to, because the last hearing, yung second hearing po, we were all under oath, and they said that they never offered any donation. They never offered me any donation of to a charitable institution of my choice. But Attorney Annette Gozon has proven that they did through an affidavit.
Where is the affidavit? Do you have a copy? Oh, ito pala, nagsisinungaling na kayo. Yan. May affidavit na si Attorney Annette.
With due respect, Your Honor, may we be allowed to read the affidavit, Your Honor? It's a right of my client to be confronted with all the evidence of the witnesses against them, Your
Oh,
Honor.
sige. Paige, can we have the affidavit of Attorney Annette?
Your Honor, the affidavit is being reproduced right now, Your Honor.
I'll give them a copy.
Assessment
Anones.
on the affidavit, Your Honor.
No, I was asking you a while ago if you offered Mr. Nino Mulak financial contribution to any charitable institution of his own choice, and then you denied it. Now, here comes the affidavit signed by Attorney Annette, who I think this person is very credible. Here comes the affidavit signed by Attorney Annette saying that you indeed offered financial contribution to any charitable institution of his choice. What can you say?
Your Honor, upon review po of the affidavit po of Ms. Annette Gozon, nowhere in the affidavit does she mention po that there was an offer of settlement, Your Honor. And in fact, she mentioned only the donation to the charitable institution after she put, after the paragraph where she put that she said that Mr. Nino Mulak came from a previous scheduled charity event. 4 and 5, Your Honor. So it supports our statement earlier, Your Honor, that that it was part of
Basahin
the
mo ngayon number 5. Number 5.
Do we read it?
That Mr. Jojo Nones, I'll just read it for you.
Okay.
That Mr. Jojo Nones mentioned in that meeting that if Mr. Nino Mulak would want, they can donate to a charitable institution of Mr. Nino Mulak's choice. Number 6, that Mr. Nino Mulak declined. Number 7, that Mr. Nino Mulak stated that he wants to pursue the HR case against Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz. Oh. Maliwanag na maliwanag. Dito sa affidavit na nagsisinungaling ka.
Hindi po, Your Honor, kasi context po is material
Paano
po,
hindi
Your
ka
Honor.
nagsisinungaling? I was asking you, did you offer any financial contribution to any charitable institution?
No offer po of settlement, Your Honor.
I did not ask if it's a settlement or not. The only question I'm asking you is that if you offered financial contribution. I did not say it's a settlement. You're putting words into my mouth. Mr. Chair, I move that he be cited in contempt.
Mr. Jojo Nunes, naiintindahan niyo po ba yung motion na kayo po ay patawan ng contempt?
Opo, Your Honor, pero with all due respect po, Your Honor, nag-explain
Wala
lang
na,
po ako.
nagsisungaling ka na eh. Alam mo, Jojo, alam mo hindi kita kilala ha. Kahit matagal na ako sa showbiz, hindi kita kilala. Pero, huwag naman ganun. Ha? We are here trying to know the truth, to ferret out the truth. Eh pag patuloy ka nagsisinungaling dito sa amin, talagang isa-side ka namin in contempt. Maliwanag na dito sa affidavit. Maliwanag na sinabi ni Sandro. May drugs pa involved. May sexual harassment na involved. Hindi lang nga sexual harassment eh. Assault eh. Dahil pinagsamantalahan nyo yung bata, pinag-take nyo ng drugs, tsaka nyo pinagsamantalahan. That is what do you call this? Drug-induced sexual assault? Tama ba yung sinabi ko, attorney? NBI. Kawawa naman yung bata. Pinag-drugs yun ha, hinalay nyo pa.
NBI?
Sir, Your Honor, good afternoon po. There was an allegation po na pinag-sniff po siya ng drugs before the alleged na pang-aabuso po.
See? Continue deny. Continue denying it. Oh,
Mr. Jojo,
Sergeant at Arms,
are you-
Sergeant at Arms to Mr. Chair.
sasagot po ba kayo o yan pa rin po ba ang sagot po ninyo?
Yes po, Your
Oh, sige
Honor.
na.
Sumasagot po kami. These are allegations po. At
Opo,
mismo po si Attorney Conales po, sinabi niya po, allegations, lang po. And
Allegations lang.
we deny po the allegations, Your Honor.
Po, there is a motion to cite Mr. Jojo Nones in contempt. Without any objection, the motion is approved. So ordered. Meron pong motion para patawan si Jojo Nones ng
Senador
contempt. Dahil wala pong nag-o-object,
Your Honor,
pinapayagan po
please.
ito at pinag-uutos. Sergeant at Arms.
Hindi pwede.
Bring him to the detention cell. Attorney Topacio, you're not only lawyering for Mr. Gerard Santos, am I correct? You're also here as an independent resource person.
Yes,
Because
Your
you're
Honor.
handling cases relative to these issues.
Yes, Your Honor.
Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright. Kanina sinabi ko, hindi lang lalaki minumolestya, pati mga babae.
Opo.
Alright, I heard before, during the lull, you were saying that you're handling 2 cases.